What up guys, Gabe with Tight Lines here. This video, I'm going camping in central Wisconsin, and at some point, we're going fishing. Well, when I left Minnesota, the weather was getting real nice out, and I thought we were going to have a great time, but the weather went from bad to worse, and it's raining pretty good out here on the way back over to Wisconsin, so I don't know if we're going to be able to film tonight. Might not even be able to film all weekend. I checked the weather report again, and it looks like it's not going to be so great. So what we're going to do is we're going to catch as much video, and we're going to try to go fishing if possible, and hopefully catch ourselves a fish. I'll be back at you in a second. You are not going to believe what happened. The clouds dissipated, it stopped raining, and we might be able to pull this thing off. Things are looking on the bright side. We're just about to the campgrounds, and I'll see you as soon as we get there. All right. Needless to say, we had to change days. It started raining again, and the sun was going down a lot faster than I thought, so I actually only had about 45 minutes on the water. So today we're back in the morning, day 2. We're gonna catch a fish. All right, I've switched up my bait selection a little bit. I've got a weightless creature bait because the water's running really fast, and normally I would throw a weight on it, but I've seen these guys and they are hitting top water hard. Last night I got a couple of bites, but they weren't slamming the frog. They hit the frog, but I think it was a little bit too big of a bait. So I went to creature baits. The Senko didn't even get a hit at all, so I took that off. I got a buzz bait on. It's morning time, about 6:30, and I'm gonna wrap this thing up in a heartbeat, I think. Usually in the early morning like this, the water temp is still a little warm from the day before, but the water's actually pretty calm. So we've got some nice structure all around through here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up to the edge here, probably stay off about 3 to 5 yards, and I've got a buzz bait, and I'm just gonna throw it right along the bank side, and slow retrieve it just enough to get some noise going. And they should be in a feeding mode right now, so hopefully, if everything pays off, we're gonna get a couple of hits. Needless to say, I got a rat's nest, and it was like the rat's nest from holy high hell. And I've been sitting here for about a half an hour trying to clean this mess up, but we're back in action. Let's get it going. All right, we got our first fish with the old chatterbait or buzz bait. We are gonna keep throwing this for a little bit. That was on open water, so it's feeding a little bit in a different position than I thought. So I'm gonna keep throwing this for a little bit. Hopefully we get another one on camera. First bass hit on open water, but it's not quite open water. There's a lot of stumps and there's a lot of underground structure right through here. So I'm just gonna toss over this area and retrieve back through all of these extra stumps and logs in the water and see if we could trigger another bite.
There he is.
Got him. Oh yeah. Come on, you. Yes. Oh, Yes. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Nice little fish. Good color. Pretty light color, actually. But he's been caught a couple times. Nice fish. Let's do this again. Structure is going to help out a lot. Got one. Got one. Oh, we got one. Yeah, buddy. I'm going to count that as a catch. Man, am I glad I caught fish. Woo! This was a good morning. That buzzbait was killing it. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe down below. And if you're going out fishing, as always, best of luck and tight lines.